In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add texture in Photopea. First, open your browser and head to the Photopea website. Photopea runs entirely online, so there's nothing to install, and it works best in a modern browser. Give it a second to load. When the workspace appears, you're ready to go. On the start screen, choose Open from Computer. This lets you bring in the file you'll be working with. You can open the photo you want to add texture to, or if you already have a texture image prepared, open that. If you're using both, make sure the texture sits above the photo in the Layers panel so it blends onto the image beneath. The active layer is the one that will be affected by the next adjustments. With your layer selected, look at the top of the Layers panel for a drop-down that currently says Normal. That's the blending mode. Click it to reveal the blend options. Choose Screen from the list. Screen brightens based on the lighter parts of the layer, which is perfect for textures like paper grain, dust, light leaks, scratches, or grunge that are predominantly light on dark. You'll immediately see the underlying image come through wherever the texture is dark, and the brighter bits of the texture will blend on top. Next, click on Fill, located near the opacity control. Fill affects the actual pixel content of the layer, and in many blending modes, screen included, it can produce a more natural, less washed out result than simply lowering the overall visibility. Now adjust to your preferred texture strength. Drag the fill slider slowly and watch the image. If the texture feels overpowering, ease it down to subtly kiss the image. Often somewhere between 20 and 60% looks convincing, but it depends on your artwork. If it feels too faint, bump it up until the detail reads without stealing attention. The goal is to enhance, not distract. When you're close, click on Opacity to fine-tune the overall presence. Opacity affects everything about the layer uniformly, so it's a great final polish. A slight reduction can help the texture sit in the image rather than on top of it. Compare small changes, say nudging from 100 to 90 or 80, until it feels cohesive. That's it. By opening your image, switching the blend mode from normal to screen, and balancing fill and opacity, you can blend textures quickly and cleanly in Photopea. If you want a different vibe in the future, remember that other blend modes like overlay or multiply can create dramatically different looks, and the same fill and opacity workflow will help you dial them in.